Hello and welcome to the Gnosis IQ Emotional Self-Reporting Tool overview. I'm going to show you real quickly how this works. As you can see, it's already installed in your browser. To access it, you'll click on the little emoticon in the upper right corner where you'll be presented with 12 emotions. You can select any of these. These are self-reporting, so it's up to you to tell us how you're feeling. If you're happy, you can click happy. If you're depressed, if you're sad, if you're feeling sick, all you have to do is click on it and you're done. You can close that window. The way that that shows up is in the system. So as a teacher or a district administrator or even a parent, I can scroll through and I can see the students that have reported those cues. So we'll go in and we'll see who's reported that they were sick. So I can see this list of students and I can click on that and I can see their timeline. So you can see when those were reported, and if I want to go in and see a little more detail, I can click on that student's name and get a calendar view. From a student's perspective, the other way that they can select their emotions occurs when they log in to Gnosis IQ. So the students will have access, and when they log in, they're presented with those same emoticons, and they've got the option to either close out and skip, or let's say they're happy and submit. So that's all that takes. Again, when they do that, that's saved to the profile, and that's available for review by administration or teachers that can offer help for those students. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.